Ready? Ready for science?
Ready for science?
Okay. Okay, we're going to do some science. Okay, we're going to do a couple of experiments. We're talking about weather.
Weather.
Weather. Okay? So we're talking about weather. We're going to be talking about clouds. Okay? We're going to make some clouds. And we're going to make it rain. Does that work?
Does that work?
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
We got to do this one first because it's a little more time sensitive. This is hot water, okay? Yeah, we don't need this yet, okay? So this is hot water, right? And we're going to make a cloud. We're going to talk about why it makes a cloud. So sometimes down here on Earth, right here where the sun hits, sometimes it's really hot, okay? And we have a lot of hot on the bottom, and way up high in the sky, it's cold. And we have cold on top, hot in the bottom, and you have chemicals in the air in the middle. And if you have those all together, watch what happens. So you have hot water here, and then cold on top. And you can see, let me see what's happening. It's moving. You want to get in close? You want to see? Here, want to look? Watch it move. It's getting darker, huh? Can you see the clouds coming out the sides a little bit? You see it?
You see it?
Yeah? No, it's not as crazy. But it's slow, right? But check that out. Watch. See that? Look at this. What's this? That's what happens with the clouds. So you have cold on the top, hot on the bottom, and there's pressure building up in there. And with the pressure and with the chemicals in the air, those little particles of water will grab into the air. So we're talking about humidity. Okay? Humidity means that there's water in the air. Did you know there's water in the air? Does it feel wet right now? Yes or no? Are you wet?
Are you wet?
Yes or no? No, right? But there is water in the air. And that's what this is. So that's called humidity. The air can absorb water. So what's humidity? Say when air
When the air
absorbs
absorbs
water.
water.
Yeah. Or when the air holds water. Maybe that's easier to understand. When the air holds water. So what's humidity? What's humidity? When the air holds water. Okay? Say it. When air holds water. Okay. What's humidity? When air holds water. Say it. What's humidity?
The food hot water.
When air
Hot water.
holds water.
The air holds water.
Yes, the air holds water. That's humidity. Okay? So, there's that one. You can kind of see it has water underneath.
Underneath.
It's cold, huh? And wet. So the cold and wet, that's when the cloud starts having rain. And then that rain will build up. And then look, there's that little piece right there that's building up. It's going to fall. See? That's what rain is. That's from the cloud inside of the jar. Is that kind of cool? We made it rain. It's a real,
rain.
yeah, that's a real raindrop.
It's a real raindrop.
So we made it rain. Okay, you ready to go on to the next one? Let's do this one. This one you'll like.
This
Okay,
one was
sit
the
down.
next one. This one is the next one.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so we're going to take this. Yeah, you've been wanting to pump this up, huh? Put it in here. Right?
That's tiny.
Right.
Just open that.
So we're going to take this We're going to swish it around, right? Okay, so we want it to start to evaporate. So part of the weather and what we get is pressure. What's pressure?
Pressure.
Squeeze, right? It's like squeeze. Yeah, good job. So when we squeeze it really, really tight and there's a lot of pressure in here, we can make a cloud. You ready to make a cloud?
Make a cloud.
Okay, we're trying to get it to evaporate a little bit. Now, we're going to put this on. You want me to hold it and you to pump? You want to pump it? Really squeaky, huh? Okay, I'll hold on to it so it'll stay in. Is it getting harder? Yeah? Keep going. Ooh, it's getting hard. Ready? Okay, stop. Okay, ready? Get set.
Ready, get set, go.
So there was a lot of pressure in there, right?
There's a lot of pressure.
Okay, so there was a lot of pressure in
There's
there.
a lot of
And then all of a sudden we let it go, and all of the air,
pressure.
there's pressure, and all of the air expanded. And you can see it formed a cloud, right? So if we pump pressure back into it again, watch what happens, okay? You want to pump it back in? No, if I can keep it on tight. There it goes, okay. You can see, is the cloud there? Where'd the cloud go?
Where'd the cloud go?
Where'd the cloud go?
Ready, get set, go.
Now it's back, right?
Thanks for that.
Okay, so the cloud is there when you have lots of pressure, when you have the pressure go away and it expands, right? But sometimes when you have a whole lot of pressure, this doesn't want to stay. Okay, we're going to make the cloud, and then we're going to make this one rain, okay? Okay, okay, so there's this cloud. That's a good cloud. Nice work. Good work. Okay. So, but we can't make this one rain like we did the other one. So we're going to do this.
This one.
We're going to say this is our cloud.
This is our cloud.
This is our cloud above the clouds.
Above the clouds.
Right? This is up where it's nice and cool. Okay, sit down. You know, watch it from the other side. Okay? You like it, huh?
I like it, huh?
Okay. You want to help fill this up with some clouds? Put some clouds in there.
Put some clouds in there.
These are our clouds. Cotton balls.
Cotton balls.
Cotton ball clouds.
Cotton ball clouds.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna put them all? Oh, wow. That's a crazy cloud, right? Okay.
Crazy cloud.
Yeah, that's a full cloud.
That's a full cloud.
So, man, our other cloud's disappearing already, but still gonna work anyway. Okay. So we got that. We're gonna take this. Where did the blue water go?
The blue water go.
Mm.
The blue water go.
Yep, where'd it go? Did I lose our blue water? Okay, gonna come sit down. Okay, we found our blue water right in front of my face. So, these are our raindrops.
Raindrops.
Ready? So, our clouds, as the pressure builds up, they are going to get more dense. And they're going to have more and more water, right? And as the water keeps building, I might have put too many clouds up there in that. That's a lot of clouds. should just dump a bunch, huh? So as the water builds up in the clouds, is it raining yet?
Is it raining it?
Can you see the rain? No, there's no rain yet, right? Not raining yet. So let's give the clouds a little bit more. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Yep. Okay. Yeah, slow. Okay. Watch. Are they getting full? Ooh. Are the clouds getting darker?
Or the clouds getting darker?
Uh-huh.
Cloudy.
And when the clouds get full of water, that's called 100% humidity. Okay? Starting to rain. Just a little bit. Oh. Oh. Oh.
What
It's
happened?
gonna full. It's gonna
What
overflow.
happened to the cotton balls?
Okay, so it's raining, right? So the clouds absorb lots of water, because that's the water in the air, right? Just like the cloud that we made, that's water in the air. So those clouds, when they get full of water, they have to let the water go, and the water falls back down, and that's when it rains outside, right? You've seen it rain lots of times, huh? You don't like to walk around in the rain very much, right? Is that kind of cool though?
Is it kind of cool, huh?
Uh-huh. That's how it works.
That's how it works.
Okay, so we're talking about the weather. Okay, what's humidity? Humidity is when... You like that, huh? What's humidity? Humidity is when the air holds... You listening? Humidity is when
Humidity is when
the air holds...
the air holds water.
Good job. Okay. Humidity is when the air holds water. Okay. And when a spot in the, like right now we're in Idaho, when a certain spot has a certain type of weather for a long time, that's called climate. Like when we were in Washington and it rained a lot, that's the climate. You want more rain? You trying to get more rain? Yeah. Pressure, right? And then the down pressure, look at that. And it rains harder.
Looks down the pressure.
Yeah, there's down pressure there. Okay, what's humidity? What's humidity? Hey, what's humidity?
What's humidity?
Humidity is when the air holds.
Holds water.
Yes. So what's humidity? What's humidity?
What's in humidity?
Humidity is when. Hey, humidity is when.
Humidity is when water.
No.
Hold water.
When the. When
Hold.
what holds water? When blink holds water. What is it? When blink holds water.
The hot.
It is having to do with the hot and the cold, huh? It's when the air holds water. Okay. Climate. Climate is when we have certain weather for a long time. Okay. You're really getting obsessed with this. I think you sucked all the moisture out of those clouds. They're looking kind of dry. All right. Are you frustrated or are you happy?
Are you happy?
Okay.
He is
Okay.
frustrated.
Yeah. Ray is frustrated. Okay. Are you happy? Did you like science?
I like science.
Okay. Did you like weather?